Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with organizing your garage vertically. In my last video, Organizing Your Garage, I talked about how there are essentially three types of storage in your garage: shelvables, hangables, and non-negotiables. Today we're going to be looking at the first one, shelving. Not all shelves are the same, and not everything that goes on them are the same. First, we look at these freestanding shelves. The most affordable option are these plastic shelves. These come 24 inches deep and 18 inches deep. Now, before you run out and buy the deeper ones, be sure you really need them that deep. They eat up an extra ½ foot of floor space, which makes a big difference when it comes to opening door space. Chrome wire shelves are another popular option. Besides having adjustable shelves, there are more choices, including a 16-inch deep and 14-inch deep option. They are, however, about twice as expensive as the plastic option. One more thing to consider about shelf choice is assembly time. The plastic ones take about 10 minutes to assemble, and the wire ones take about 20 minutes to assemble. And they require more than one person. Then there are the enclosed shelves, otherwise known as cabinets. I know many homeowners prefer the look of cabinets over open shelves, and that's fine. However, be aware that they can compromise visibility, findability, and circulation. Circulation is the subject of my book, The Circulation Solution. It means a plan for movement in a series of manageable, reliable stages. I just find that open shelves offer a more open field of play for things that need to circulate regularly. Finally, on the subject of garage shelves is the Monkey Bars garage storage system. The thinking with the Monkey Bars system is that you can hang large, awkward, non-shelvable items below the shelves and stack less used items on these deep shelves. We'll cover the hangable systems next week, but if you have a lot of seasonal or just-in-case items that you can store more remotely, then this installed solution might be the right answer for you. Once you are clear on the shelf sizes you need, it's time to look at your container choices. One of the easiest choices are these flip-top bins. They're inexpensive, widely available, and a perfect fit for 2 per shelf on these 18-inch deep plastic shelves. And with the flip top, you never lose a lid. The widely used heavy black bins may make sense for tools and hardware, but wherever possible, my rule is reveal, don't conceal. Another favorite of ours is the 64-quart bin. It fits perfectly if you have the 24-inch deep shelves. And if you have the 24-inch deep with a 48-inch wide shelves, you can also work in some smaller 25-quart bins perfectly. A few smaller bins come in handy for smaller items. Another great option for small items are these shallow shelves. Just be sure you locate them on your shelves below eye level. As for other placement considerations, frequency merits facility. The items you access most regularly should be at eye level. Heaviest items should go on the lowest shelves. This is not only safer, but helps stabilize the shelves. And items you use the least should go on the top level. Between the top level and eye level is a good place to store harmful chemicals away from small children. If there's a lot of chemicals, this might provide justification for a cabinet. In any case, don't store chemicals at floor level. As I was saying before, clear bins are better, but clear labeled bins are best. You can get quite large labels with the Brother P Touch, but here's a supplemental option. With these vinyl envelopes, you can make large labels and make it easy to switch out contents, perhaps seasonally. Another medium bin option I like in the garage are these file boxes. I know, made for files, but they're sturdy and they fit well on these shelves. For items that are not taking up residence in my garage, I like this lidless bin. Items I want to make a point of returning go here, and items I want to make a point of donating go in these two. More on the importance of that in a couple of weeks. And finally, sometimes the best container is no container at all. Packaged items speak for themselves, and if they can stack without the container, then they are more easily accessed. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.